Greetings everyone, it's time to connect with Caroline again. Yes, today is by the beach. I got inspired, not really inspired, I think it was just something crazy happening in social media this week, and that really it touched me emotionally, and I thought that it would be the best option for me to go by the beach and just relax with my family, because there's nothing as beautiful as nature when you talk about therapy. So I'm going to address that the topic that I'm talking about, what really bothered my mind. But for now, let's focus on this beautiful part that is just for relaxation. So relaxation time with nature. I'm trying to make fire. I don't have all the tools, but I'm going to try. You know, when you don't have some certain things, you have to survive for the fittest. You have to survive somehow. I'm gonna use the stuff that I have to see if I am able to make fire. I got my matches and ah,
Millennial and survivor. Yes, yes, you can't light fire.
no kerosene, no gas. Time for nature. It's time to connect with nature. You. It's time to connect with nature. Oh yeah. It's time to connect with nature on the bushes and water and everything. Yeah, life can be stressful sometimes, and just connecting with nature sometimes it really does the magic. Oh yeah. So I thought I should just do that for today and just be me and talk to the trees and the water. You know, some would say connect with. Yeah. Oof. So yeah, we're gonna show respect to the trees and put it back. There you go.
What's going on with the two of you guys?
Because their mind is there.
Hmm?
Their mind is there.
I'm seeing them.
I don't see anything around you guys.
Baby, there's ants.
Yeah, the ants are
you're
not
looking.
these, the way you guys are making
Looking
like,
for them.
like
Red
ants.
ants bite you. Don't put your eyes on the floor.
But the ants don't follow
If I
you.
put my, if I put the slippers here, they'll
The ants. So it's the ants making you like that. Look at how me I'm standing.
all over my slippers.
Honey,
Where are the butter picking them? Eh?
don't go there. Go this way.
I don't even care about the ants.
Smart ants, so.
I don't smoke.
Come,
I'm
take
not
it, take
caring
it.
about the ants. I'm caring about
Take
my
it, remove
leg.
your this thing.
When I go sleep at night, so
Hold the two heads.
when you hear one,
Sleeping
get
with
up.
shoes.
Huh?
I'm sleeping with shoes and go camping.
Remove that one here. I'm going to go and walk.
Are they under Banga school? Barombi Lake. No one choke with pepper.
Abu will answer. But yes, never.